Ah, so ready to go to school.
Hey son, you almost forgot your lunch bag.
Oh my goodness, thank you. I almost forgot that.
Let's go son, we gotta get a tardy.
No, Dad, we're so conveniently located. There's no rush.
You're right son, let's ride to school.
Wouldn't it be nice to be able to walk your kids to school? You have the opportunity to do it right here, 518 Stannage Avenue in Albany. You ready to check it out? Let's take a look. Welcome in. As you walk in, you'll be impressed with the open concept, all the incredible detail we have with this gourmet kitchen. It's ready for you to entertain. Welcome to the primary suite. With so much room in this house, still a cozy backyard to relax. Stannage Avenue is such a walker's paradise, close to all the schools, local parks, and local shopping. Thanks for taking a tour, guys. We're located at 518 Stannage Avenue in Albany. For more information, please check out our website or give us a call. Love to see you here soon. Hey, where's my actor go? Wait up!